The purpose of my talk today is to talk about how health economics can be used to help informed formulary listing decisions. Managed formulas are essentially a list of preferred drugs for a particular plan. The goal is to avoid paying for medications that have not been proven to be more effective as similar, cheaper drugs that are currently being provided by the plan. TELUS's enhanced drug review process has been in effect for about 2 years. It started in 2017, so it is not new. There are 3 pieces of information that we use to make formulary listing decisions. First is the clinical evidence, second is how much is it going to cost, and third is cost effectiveness. So when TELUS receives a drug submission, a clinical report is provided by the manufacturer. But in addition to that, an extensive clinical literature review is undertaken to supplement the report to ensure that all relevant clinical information is being considered in the recommendation decision-making process. The second step in the process is the budget impact, or the financial consequences of listing a drug. A budget impact analysis is essentially how much money is needed to be spent to cover the cost of the new medication, and usually this is done over a short time horizon. Assumptions need to be made around the eligible population, what is the price of the medication, the duration of therapy that patients will be on, and the estimated market share. And this is where cost effectiveness comes into play. So cost effectiveness analysis is really just a method of comparing both the costs and effects or consequences of at least 2 alternatives to aid decisions. So you've got some comparison that needs to take place. There's always going to be more treatment options than resources will allow. This creates this scenario where there's a scarcity of resources. Due to this scarcity, there's difficult choices that need to be made around allocation of those resources. The outcome of a cost-effectiveness analysis is a statistic that we call an incremental cost-effectiveness ratio, or an ICER. And really, it is a simple ratio of the difference in costs of the new drug relative to the old drug, divided by the difference of the measures of effect of the new drug and subtracting the old drug. And this is the final piece that we consider when we try to make our listing recommendations. So in conclusion, an enhanced drug review process similar to the one at TELUS, by incorporating cost effectiveness and ensuring value for money, can help make transparent and evidence-based informed decisions around ensuring value for money and listing recommendations.